So we're done building our visual. Now we want to share it. Well, for that, first of all, you can provide your own icon here in the assets folder. I will go with the default icon here, but you could provide your own one. And you can configure some things here in pbiviz.json, like for example, the display name. My bar chart could be the name I want here. Now, once you're finished and you added everything you want, you can quit this development process, this pbiviz process, and instead run pbiviz package inside of the project folder of the visual you want to package up. So I'm going to run this, and this will now build my visual so that I can use it also in Power BI Desktop and so that I could share it with other people as well. Now you see here I'm getting some error that I need to specify a name, email, a description, and a support URL. So let's quickly do that. This is my bar chart. Support URL, of course, in my case here is my company URL. My offer name is Max, and my offer email, of course, is max@max.com, which, by the way, is not my actual address. So just to make this clear. And with that all filled out, let's rerun pbiviz package. And now it packages this visual up. Now, you can follow these steps if you want certification by Power BI, which you also need to share it through the marketplace. But this is not my goal here. And therefore now in this dist folder, we do now find our custom visual. Now the question is, how can we use this visual? Well, for that, let me open up Power BI Desktop. And in there, again, I'm going to import my data first. This file I provided earlier in the module. We can't just load it like this. And now besides that data, we can also go to File, Import, and import a Power BI visual from a file. We could also import it from AppSource if we shared it through the marketplace. But for our own visual, which we got in a file, I'll choose this option. Yes, I'm aware of the risks. It's my own visual, that's fine. And now I'll go to my bar chart folder and there the dist folder and select this custom visual that was created there so that we just packaged up. We can now open this. And once we did so, our custom visual is available. Here it is. And you see that title I specified here as well. And I can add it. And of course, I can also add my data. And we see the visual which we built throughout this module. Here is my custom visual in action and now also in action inside of Power BI Desktop. So build it with Power BI Service, use it anywhere you want. This is it for custom visuals, and this hopefully gets you started with them if you're interested, and otherwise just simply gave you an interesting look under the hood.